Hi, this is In the Wild with Chris. Trangia of Sweden just released a new series of camp stoves, Trangia Micro. It comes in two versions. We have the Trangia Micro Original with a spirit burner, and then we have the Trangia Micro Light with a gel burner. This is the Trangia Micro Light. It only weighs about 180 grams. The Trangia Micro Light contains the pot called the teacup, which has a volume of 500 milliliters or 17 fluid ounces. Inside it you have the gel burner, and the windshield. And the pot itself has a ridge on the bottom to make sure that it fits snugly with the windshield. Now the gel burner itself, it's not tight enough to keep fluids or gel inside it when you're walking. You might get a little leakage. Me myself, I haven't used fire gel before, but the fire gel is mainly ethanol based and it's quite efficient. So what you do is you pour a little bit of this fire gel inside the gel burner and just set it on fire. And it's quite easy to catch fire. Use a match or even fire steel to get it burning. And it's very efficient. It burns with a higher heat than ordinary ethanol, and when I've tried it, I can boil up water faster than with ethanol. Now the Trangia Micro Light is quite small, like I said, 500 milliliters or 17 fluid ounces. It's not for cooking big meals. For that you can get the bigger Trangia or other camp stoves. But this is lightweight to boil 2 cups of coffee, boil water for a freeze-dried portion, or maybe heat up some soup. Being this lightweight, it's an option for those who count every gram or ounce in their package. I mean, lightweight hikers, long-distance runners, this is great to bring along. All you need is some fire gel. You can pour this into a little squeeze bottle, enough for heating up 1 pot, and some water, and you're set to go. So what are the cons with this? Not much, really. As long as you're not expecting to be able to make a full meal, then you go for the other bigger Trangias. But one thing though, Trangia, why do you make a plastic handle? When I tried this before, the wind changed and the flames started coming up the side, melting the handle. Now, it rattles quite a bit. This I solved by storing a kitchen sponge inside here. There. So what are the pros with this? Well, like I said, it's very lightweight, 180 grams, which is what, 6-7 ounces. You use a gel burner, which is very efficient. Not as efficient as gas, but it's better than ethanol. On a good day when it's not too cold, I can get a pot boiling in about 5 minutes using fire gel. So if you want to go ultra lightweight, the Trangia Micro Light is one way to do it. The gel burner also allows you to use solid fuel tabs like S-Bit or Fire Dragon. In an emergency, yes, you can use liquid ethanol. I tried it. Not as efficient, but gets the job done, but it takes a little bit longer. Well, I hope you found this useful. Please give it a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, this is In the Wild with Chris.